Welcome back to Minimalist Health and Training. I'm Paul, as you all know, and I'm real excited because this is our last instructional video on the different exercises to help you build your own workout. And the next video is going to be the biggie, where we put them all together for a workout just for you and show you how to tweak little things to where it's perfect for your individual needs. Today we'll be doing 3 exercises to exercise your shoulders. We'll be doing the military press. We'll be doing the shoulder lateral flies, and then we'll be doing a bent over fly and show you how to work out your rear delts, because a lot of people neglect them and then it makes your shoulders look, in a matter of speaking, all wonky. But like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that next video. Now on to the shoulder press. You'll notice in the video my elbow positioning and arm positioning is parallel to the body, and I'm bringing them straight up above my head and then straight down. And I generally only bring them down to where the actual dumbbell comes down to the top of my shoulder. And the best way to do these, if you want to build a lot of power, is to push them up as fast as you can, and then on the way down, just bring it down slowly, like on the count of 2. And this exercise will work your front and rear deltoid, as well as your traps, which are the upper back muscles that connect up where you see the muscles that connect to your neck. They are considered a back muscle. However, when I exercise them, the uppers, I consider them to be shoulder, because most of your shoulder exercises are going to exercise those too, especially the next 2 that I'm going to show you. Now we'll move on to the shoulder parallel raises, also known as a shoulder fly. And you'll notice you want your thumbs up and your arms out as almost completely straight, but not quite completely straight. And the reason why you want your thumbs up is so you don't pinch any nerves in your shoulder, because of the way your shoulder is put together. So you're going to bring it up to shoulder height, your hand up to shoulder height, with your thumb angled up at about a 45 degree to 50 degree angle. And then you'll bring it down, and you can straighten out your hand as you bring it down, as you'll see in the video that I'm showing you. And this works primarily the middle of your deltoid and the front of your deltoid muscles. It's a very good exercise. It's one of my very favorites. I love working out the shoulders. Now we're going to move to the rear deltoid fly, or lateral, which is a bent over exercise. You bend at about a 45 degree angle, as you can see in the video I'm showing from one of my workouts. And you're going to bring your arms out with your elbow slightly bent. You're going to bring them out at about a 45 degree angle there, keeping the arms fairly straight with a little bend in them. And you'll bring them up with your pinkies up instead of your thumbs, and they'll be coming up somewhat behind you as you're bent over. This will build your rear deltoids. This and the regular shoulder flies or laterals will also develop your traps quite a bit. But this will enable you to get a nice rounded shoulder by doing these, and not to have your shoulders look awkward, and to not have a weak spot in your shoulders as far as the aesthetics go and the strength goes. but you'll just bring it straight up at a 45-degree angle on both sides, straight down, and you'll keep repeating that. You want your feet on the floor straight in front of you if possible, or as far in front of you as possible, so as to have more range of motion when you're doing this exercise. And it should build the back of your deltoid great. And that's your 3 exercises, which will enable you to exercise your shoulders on a very light budget, because as with everything else, you can use any weighted item to do these exercises, and you can use a chair to sit in as you do these exercises. These exercises are going to be important when we put all the exercises together in our next video for you. So make sure you're practicing all the exercises from all the videos so we can put them all together for you and make you a budget-friendly workout program that fits your needs perfectly. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video, because we've got a lot of information in it, and then we'll have other videos with information that you'll definitely want to hear. Thanks for watching.